Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix file system error when try to view photos. Type PowerShell in Windows search bar. Right-click, Run as Administrator. Click Yes to continue. Copy command 1 from description, paste it into command window. Type Y to continue. Copy second command from description and paste it into command window. Type exit and restart computer. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.